Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm unboxing my Curtis Stone cookware with you, and we'll be trying it out as well. So let's do it. Curtis Stone. It came in this box with all of this tape looking just like this. Okay, these are the various colors that you can get them in. I thought I ordered a blue, but I got a red. That's okay. Now let's see what's in the box. Okay, these are really packed neatly and securely. I guess that's so that it wouldn't shift during shipping. Okay, the first thing is this is a lid. I guess it's for large pot or pan. It has 3 holes right there. That's so that the steam can escape. Alright, it's not glass. Curtis Stone. The marking is right there. Right there. It's number 1. This is glass. Okay. This is a little lid for 2-quart pot, Curtis Stone right there. And it also has the holes on the side for straining. Guess that's for this little pot right here. This is heavy, good. Love it. Oh my. It also has measurements on the inside, right there. The measurement, it goes all the way up to 2 quarts. Lid is for that, and it has a pour spout right there. See the holes on the inside? That's for straining. Perfect, Curtis. C is for Curtis on the handle. And this is the large pot, 4.8 quarts, stock pot. This is the largest, okay. Nice and heavy. You see how thick that is? Good, solid. 4.8 quarts. It's heavy. Good weight. Guess this lid here is for that. This is glass also. Okay. Perfect. This is an 8-piece set. All right. This is a 12-inch fry pan. So, okay, that lid is for that. Oh, nice. I need this. And the steamer. The steamer goes right into that 12-inch fry pan. And, so that's why that's not glass. Perfect. Okay, so right now I have 2 steamers. God be the glory. And this is also another fry pan. This is 10-inch. Okay, this has, okay, so that can go, that lid for the pot goes with that, can work with this. Okay, perfect. Great, there's nothing else. It's only 8 pieces. This set is non-stick. It has good weight, very durable. And we'll see today if it cooks well. And of course, it is reasonably priced. Look at it, 8 pieces. 12-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan, 4.8 quart pot, and you have a 2-quart pot with lid. Look at that. It's a dome lid for the steamer. 4.8 quart pot with a glass lid. We're testing them out. And I'm preparing in them butter, garlic, salmon, with boiled cabbage and carrots, yellow rice. Oh my word. Look how that is slipping and sliding. These are truly non-stick. Dinner is served. Look at it. Cabbage, carrots, yellow rice, and salmon. Please thumbs up this video if you have enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Be sure to hit the bell now. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.